Let me ask you a question most men quietly wonder about, but rarely say out loud. What really happens if you ejaculate every single day? Is it a healthy practice that supports your well being, or could it gradually drain your energy and affect your performance? Could it help you feel better, or might it work against you over time? If this has crossed your mind, you're not alone. I hear variations of this question constantly from men of different ages and backgrounds. It's one of those topics wrapped in silence, myths, shame, and half-truths. Yet it sits right at the center of men's health, emotional well-being, and intimate confidence. Today, we're bringing full clarity to it. I'm Dr. Kate, a board-certified urologist with more than a decade of clinical experience guiding men toward better sexual health and overall wellness. In this video, I'll give you the complete breakdown, the 5 unexpected benefits daily ejaculation can offer, the 5 important drawbacks you need to be aware of, and how to evaluate what's genuinely right for your mind, body, and personal goals. My goal is to help you walk away informed, grounded, and confident without confusion or embarrassment. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I love seeing the diversity of this community. And while you're there, tap the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the honest, science-based conversations we have every week about men's health, the kinds of topics most people avoid. Now, let's start with this truth. There's no universal, one-size-fits-all answer. Daily ejaculation isn't automatically the best choice, and it's not automatically harmful. The effects depend on your motivations, your methods, and the outcomes you experience in your body and mind. Some men feel more relaxed, sleep better, and enjoy an emotional reset with daily release. Others feel less energy, less desire, or notice subtle performance challenges. The truth is nuanced, shaped by biology, habits, mental health, and life stage. If you've ever felt unsure about this, don't blame yourself. Most men were never taught how sexual health truly works. Over the last 12 years of clinical practice, I've made it my mission to translate medical science into simple, digestible advice that men can actually use. Think of this as a private, honest conversation, one where you finally get answers without judgment. With that, let's explore the 5 potential benefits of daily ejaculation and then the 5 important drawbacks every man should consider. Benefit 1. Hormonal balance and mood improvement. After ejaculation, a wave of neurochemicals interacts with your brain and nervous system. Endorphins reduce pain and lighten your mood. Dopamine reinforces pleasure and motivation. Oxytocin promotes calmness and bonding. Serotonin contributes to mood stability. Together, these chemicals can create a soothing emotional reset. For men dealing with tension, irritability, or low-grade anxiety, this shift can be noticeable and helpful. It doesn't replace mental health support, but it can contribute to better emotional regulation. Benefit 2. Improved sleep quality. Prolactin, which rises after orgasm, has a natural calming effect that promotes drowsiness. When combined with the reduction of stress hormones and the relaxing impact of oxytocin and endorphins, many men fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer after sexual release. Better sleep supports stronger recovery, mental clarity, and better energy levels the next day. This makes daily release potentially helpful for men who struggle with overthinking or nighttime restlessness. Benefit 3. Enhance circulation and vascular health. Arousal and orgasm increase heart rate, expand blood vessels, and boost overall circulation. This acts like a brief cardiovascular workout that keeps your blood vessels responsive and healthy. Because erections depend heavily on vascular health, this increased circulation can support sexual function and confidence. Better blood flow also benefits muscle recovery, brain performance, and even skin health. Benefit 4. Possible reduction in prostate cancer risk. Long-term studies have observed that men who ejaculate more frequently may have a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. The theory is that regular ejaculation helps flush out irritants, old cells, and inflammatory substances from the prostate. While this isn't the replacement for screenings or medical care, it offers reassurance that healthy sexual activity may play a supportive role in long-term prostate wellness. Benefit 5. Immune system support. Research has shown increases in immune markers like IgA following sexual arousal and orgasm. This, paired with reduced stress, which strengthens the immune system, can offer a small but meaningful boost to overall immunity. It's not a cure-all, but consistent sexual wellness can play a role in supporting physical resilience. Now, let's look at the other side of the equation, because daily ejaculation does come with risks for certain men. Drawback 1. Compulsive or uncontrolled behavior. A habit is healthy when you choose it. It becomes unhealthy when it starts feeling like something you can't control. If ejaculation begins interfering with work, relationships, responsibilities, or focus, it may be shifting into compulsive territory. This can reshape your reward pathways and create emotional stress. If the urge is controlling you instead of the other way around, that's a sign to evaluate your patterns or seek guidance. Drawback 2. Relying on ejaculation as the only coping mechanism. Sexual release can reduce stress, but if it becomes your only form of emotional relief, deeper issues can go unaddressed. Relying exclusively on this one tool can limit healthier coping skills from developing. Over time, this can limit emotional resilience. Ejaculation should be one option among many, not the only one. Drawback 3. Reduced sperm count when trying to conceive. For men hoping to father a child, daily ejaculation may reduce sperm concentration because sperm need time to replenish. Allowing 48 to 72 hours between ejaculations often creates better numbers for conception. Timing, not abstinence, is the key here. Adjusting frequency during fertile windows can improve fertility outcomes. Drawback 4. Diminished sensitivity or desire. When ejaculation becomes very frequent or very repetitive, the brain can become less responsive to pleasure signals. This may lower sensitivity and reduce spontaneous arousal, especially during partnered intimacy. Even taking a brief break or adding variety can revive sensitivity and restore natural arousal patterns. Drawback 5. Performance challenges from rushed habits. Frequent fast or highly stimulating solo sessions can condition your body to climax quickly. Over time, this pattern can lead to performance concerns like difficulty maintaining control during partnered sex. Fortunately, pacing strategies like edging, mindful stimulation, or focusing on breathing can help retrain your responses. So here's the real bottom line. Daily ejaculation is neither inherently good nor inherently bad. What matters is why you do it, how it affects you, and whether it aligns with your goals. Pay attention to your mood, energy levels, libido, sleep, and performance. Experiment with spacing things out and see what feels right for your unique physiology. Try these practical steps. Track how you feel after different frequencies. Try periods of daily release and periods of spacing out. Don't rely on ejaculation as your only stress tool. If you're trying to conceive, adjust to every 2 to 3 days. Slow down and explore different forms of stimulation to avoid conditioning quick release. Talk openly with your partner if you have one. Seek medical care for ongoing changes in erection quality, pain, or prostate symptoms. If you've ever felt shame or confusion about this topic, you're not alone. Sexual health is part of overall health, and asking questions is a sign of responsibility, not weakness. The more you understand your body, the more confident, connected, and empowered you become. The truth is simple. Daily ejaculation can support your well-being or signal a need for better balance. The power to adjust is always in your hands. Small changes like slowing down, taking short breaks, or treating intimacy as connection instead of escape can dramatically improve your energy and confidence. Age is not the enemy. Whether you're 30, 50, or 70, your body can adapt, improve, and thrive with the right habits. Keep learning, keep listening to your body, and keep making choices that build strength, clarity, and vitality. I'm Dr. Kate. Thank you for spending this time with me. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. Remember, your health is worth understanding, your body is worth protecting, and your vitality is worth investing in. Take good care of yourself. You truly deserve it.